Did you know that we were born with two different immune systems in our body? Allow me to explain. The first immune system, which everyone's really familiar with, and you're probably familiar with, is in our blood. Now, the most common things that we have in our blood are what we call neutrophils and lymphocytes. Now, these white blood cells are made in your bone marrow. Every single second of the day, your body is making these immune systems in your bone marrow. Now, in your brain, let me show you this graph right here, we have immune systems that are called Glia cells. Now, you're born with a certain amount of Glia cells, and they do not continue to reproduce like neutrophils and lymphocytes. It's in the brain, and once it's in the brain, it stays there forever. Now, what happens if you have concussions, if you have brain fog, brain fatigue, if you have toxins in your body, what happens to your immune system in your brain is, I'm going to use this analogy, it's like a hard-boiled egg. So let me show you this picture right here. Now, when we talk about your immune system in your brain, you can see all the way over there on the left, that's a normal egg that's not hard-boiled yet. And then we look all the way over to the right, that is a hard-boiled egg that's been hard-boiled, right? Now, once it's hard-boiled, you can never go back all the way to the left. You can never have that egg be more liquid. Why is that? Because you've changed the structure of that egg. That's the same thing that happens in your brain, is once you have severe neural inflammation or autoimmune disease in your brain, those immune cells are permanently damaged. So this is why it's very, very critical to maintain optimal brain health and do whatever you can to decrease your neural inflammation and decrease your overall global inflammation. If you like this content, please like, comment, and share this with a loved one.